2 months ago, I was in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, and one day as I was filming, this randomly happened. So what happened is the owner of this shop is giving me a shoe to take to PLO Lumumba in Kenya. We don't know his shoe size, but he says if it doesn't fit, we can give it to someone who needs the shoes.
He talk nice things. He talk about unity to unify Africa.
Okay.
You understand? He's talking to unite Africa. You know?
Yes.
So we have to listen. We have the power. We have to use that power. We have to unite. Kenya, Ethiopia, Uganda, every East Africa, we have to start with that. All Africa, we have to unite.
As you may know, 2 months ago, as you may have seen from my channel, 2 months ago I was in Ethiopia, and one day as I was filming in Ethiopia in the streets, I entered into this shop that was selling shoes. They actually make shoes. Okay, so on walking into this shop, this guy was so excited that I am Kenyan, and he sent me with a gift to Professor PLO Lumumba to deliver to him. So the shop, they basically make shoes. They make leather shoes. And so he gave me 2 pairs of shoes to bring to Professor PLO Lumumba. And guess what? You guys have been asking what happened to the gift. Did you ever deliver the gift? And you know what? Today, I am at PLO Lumumba's office. I just arrived here. This is the building up there. So I just arrived here. I have an appointment with him at 10. Right now it's 9:30, so I have 30 minutes to familiarize myself with the environment and to go up. And yeah, at 10 I'm supposed to deliver the gift with you. I was told I don't know how his energy will be, but I am hoping that I will be able to film as I deliver the gift. So I have the gift back here. I just need to, you know, make it a bit presentable for me to present it. So we are going to 15th floor. This is for the towers. The gift is here.
Let them not make a call. Yeah, for the next 5 minutes I'm recording something. Just withhold call. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Thank you. Thank you very much.
yes, their shoes. They have a label. Is one that makes the shoes. So
Okay.
this is the logo.
Okay.
So
Belmero.
yes, we don't know your shoe size. So he picked a random number. He guessed what number you might
What
be your
was
shoes.
this? What number was the random number? I want to see if let me see how it works.
Was it 34?
Let me see. Let's see.
Oh, and there's one shoe that looks like the one you're wearing. Oh, it's actually your shoe size.
Yes.
It fits.
Yes, it does.
Oh, perfect guess.
That's very good. You have his phone number, I hope?
Yes, I do have his phone number. I'll share it with you.
Yes.
Perfect.
Very kind, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, that's very kind.
There was also another one.
There is also another one. Oh, so kind. This one looks more than 42. That one looks more like it. Even more fitting.
Yes.
Good.
Do you like them?
Yes, I do. This is very kind. If you say there is no God, there is a God.
There is a
How
God.
can
I believe
somebody
so.
who does not know me send somebody who does not know me?
He knows your work.
To
He
give
knows
me-
what you do.
Yeah, that is amazing. It tells you how the world works.
Yeah.
And I'm very grateful to him. And the shoe label you said is Bermero.
Yes.
So this is very kind, and I will be eternally gladdened by him and by his generosity, and pray that his fortunes may never dwindle. Christians would say, I pray for him the prayer of Jabez. Thank you. Thank you for being a good agent.
And thank you
you.
for giving me the opportunity to deliver them.
Thank you.
Guys, there's a very good view of Nairobi from here, and also he likes the shoes, and also what a surprise, like what a coincidence that the shoe size that I was given is his shoe size. So I'm waiting for the professors to make a few calls, and then he will join me. I am in his boardroom. What can you advise young people who are trying to make it in this country of ours and in Africa? That's not casual. That's general advice for young people.
I tell every young person, and there is a book that has been written about it by somebody called Holland. Discipline is destiny. If you want to be on the path of success, you must be disciplined. You must have integrity. You must have clarity. You must have humility. It is that recipe that puts you in a pedestal where it can be said by your friends and enemies alike that you're on the path of success.
Yeah.
I'm one who is very reluctant to say that somebody is successful, because success is a journey, and is only historian that says you're successful when you are dead and gone.
Yeah.
That is my advice to young people.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
And when I asked why he did not dance in Nyeri,
Not called to dance. I was told to empower young people not to dance. This is the mistake that Africa does, that we are always dancing. Yes, you should only do that which makes sense to you.
That's
Never
true.
go with the crowd.
Takes a lot of self-awareness.
Yes.
Thank you. So guys, I have been given a package here. It says the PLO Lumumba Foundation. Servant leadership is the mother's milk for sustainable development. So guys, I am back in the car. So it's actually a hoodie. It's not a t-shirt. And it is white. Oh, this is so nice. I feel so good. Yeah, it's a hoodie. And the other thing is a notebook. Ukarimu ni nguzo, the PLO Lumumba Foundation. So his slogan is servant leadership is the mother of milk for sustainable development. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy and so humbled and so honored, and I feel like things work in mysterious ways, you know. This was something so random. That day I was just filming, literally just walking in the streets, and then this happens. Like, that day led us to here, and I am so grateful. I am so grateful. So along with the delivery of the gift that I was delivering to the professor, I also wanted to talk to him, get where he gets his passion from, but have not been able to do that today because he says he cannot talk about a topic he's so passionate about in such a casual setup. So he gave me an interview on Friday. So on Friday I'm supposed to be back here to have an interview with him, and I'm looking forward to it, and I'm so excited, and I'm so honored, humbled. I'm so honored, humbled. I'm so humbled to be doing this. I'm so grateful for this.